Hey guys, welcome to another video. Let's go see what we are going to be installing today. I've got side extensions and rear extensions put on, but I have nothing at the front. So let's have a look at what we are going to be putting on today. So what we have here is a splitter kit from a local company based in Queensland called Project Aero. They actually have a full set you can get, which includes the front diffuser, side skirts, and the rear skirt extension too. So, but the thing is, when I got my side skirts, I didn't really know that this company actually made the whole set as one. There's a few companies that do the front splitter, but it's really hard because once you have a series 2 lip, it narrows it down quite a bit, and I did not want any extension rods holding the splitter and bolting onto the bumper. You know, sometimes you have rods that go down from there, splitter to the bumper. So in the kit, they sent you obviously the splitter, then you got some hardware, and nice little Project Aero sticker, and they actually have instructions. So that's for the Evo 9 rear spats. That's what you get with that, and this is for the Evo 9 front splitter. So the best thing about this is I'm pretty sure you can actually use it with the Series 1 and the Series 2 lip. The Series 1 is a little bit different, the Series 2 is a little bit different too. So if you choose to get one, I reckon they're pretty good, because even if you change your Series 2 lip to a Series 1 or Series 1 lip to a Series 2, you can still retain the splitter. So the instruction says, let's have a read. So I read the instructions. It does advise to take the front bumper off. So I think I might just take the front bumper out and give it a go that way, because I really don't want to be putting a lot of nuts and screws together while lying down on the floor. So that should take another 10 minutes. Cool. So that took about 5 minutes. I'm becoming a pro at this. So the instructions actually says to remove the bottom lip off. This is getting a bit dark. I might just try putting it on with the lip on. Attached to the bumper. So let's see how we go. So firstly, what we have to do is get the 20 more bolts, washers and nuts, and then once I put it together, I'll know where exactly they go. And when that's done, we'll be installing these, and it says apparently you need to drill a couple of holes, you know, to make it more secure. So the issue we're having is, I'll show you guys. So as you can see, the lip attaches to this nut here, right? But then you have on a Series 2 lip bumper lip, or might be on the Series 1 as well, you've got this black little piece of plastic sticking out. So once you put the splitter on, it actually leaves probably like 10-15 mil of gap. So I've had a look. If I try to take this out, then I lose all the mounting points. So what I might do is just take the floppy disk and just shave all the big black bit that's sticking out on both sides, and then after that I reckon it'll be good. So, the great old grinder came in handy. So, basically, I've shaved off that lip that was sticking out all the way. Same thing on that side. Cleaned it up nicely, and hopefully now that thing sits on perfectly. Hello. So I've taken all the holes that actually line up to the bumper itself. Now I'm just gonna do I'm just only gonna use 2 of these because I think that should be enough. Over here, 2 in the middle. Just gotta drill holes for that, just so it just gives more strength in the middle. And with these, you have to use the 40mm bolt they give you. Same thing. Wash on the outside. So, got the diffuser mounted, putting it on, it's not so hard. Trim the little black piece sticking out, took a bit of time but not too bad. If you're wondering, those 2 holes and those 2 holes on the other side, that way for those 2 spaces, which I didn't end up using because I didn't think they needed it, but you know, you could actually put it on for extra support if you wanted to. So that's enough for tonight. I'm going to chuck the bumper back on and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow morning. So there you have it, guys. Pretty good piece of kit from Project Aero. It is bloody awesome, I tell you. Just changed the look of the car. I mean, it is pretty good. You know, it doesn't shake, vibrate, or anything like that. It is bloody awesome, I tell you. And it just suits the car just perfectly. Yeah, so if you're interested, I'll link this down on the descriptions. Have a look at one of these kits. Like I said, I've only got the fronts because I already had the rears previously, but they do sell a whole kit for Evo 7, 8 and 9s, and go check them out. And to close this video, big shout out to Project Aero. The guys, they're absolutely amazing. I actually hit them up because I wasn't sure about the order, and I got a call from them saying they had some issues with postage because they couldn't find my address on the system. Communication is awesome, so big ups to you guys. And if you want to maybe send me the side skirts and rear spats as well, it'd be awesome. Just bye.